Welcome to Meal Planning Mastery, the ultimate course to transform the way you eat, cook, and live. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by what to eat, struggled to stay consistent, or wished you could plan healthy, delicious meals without the stress, this course is for you. Inside, you'll learn how to design personalized meal plans, balance macronutrients, and prep like a pro, whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply living healthier. You'll discover how to organize your kitchen, create time-saving grocery lists, and even make smart choices when dining out or traveling. Plus, we'll bust nutrition myths, explore trendy diets like keto and vegan, and teach you how to adapt your plan for your lifestyle and family. By the end, you'll have a proven system for eating better, saving time, and staying motivated, all while enjoying food you love. Join thousands of learners already transforming their health through meal planning mastery. Start today and take the stress out of healthy eating for good.